A number is stored at memory location 2400H. Divide the number by 8 and store the quotient and remainder at memory location 2401H and 2402H. And you have to write this program using rotate and AND instruction. To understand the logic, let's go for a specific example. Suppose here is a number which is in a decimal form put into 8 boxes. In each box one digit is there, and you have to divide this number by 1000. You have to divide this number by 1000. What we have to do? We have to shift 3 decimal places towards left. Whatever the part to the right hand side represents remainder, and whatever part to the left hand side represents quotient. Now, when bits are required as it is, you have to put 1 and perform the AND operation, and when bit values are not required, you have to put 0 and perform the AND operation. That means here 111 is placed, you will get the value as 6, 7 and 8. Remaining all values you will get as 0. The same logic is applied when you have to divide by 8 to the binary number stored in a particular register or memory location. So you have to AND operation with 07. When you perform the AND operation with 07, whatever the least significant 3 bits are there, they will appear as it is, and you have to store the remainder part to the required memory location. To find out the quotient part, the same procedure is to be adopted. The bit which are required as it is, put 1 at that places, and the bit which are not required, put 0 at that places and perform AND operation. That means you have to perform AND operation with number F8. When you perform AND operation with F8, you will get digit as it is, and in binary number the bit as it is, and at this place you will get 0, 0 and 0. At least significant 3-digit places the value becomes 0. The least significant 3-digit places the value becomes 0. But this is not the answer. If we put the answer as it is, you will get the wrong answer. These 3 zeros are to be shifted towards right. 1 times 1 0 will shift, second times rotate, second 0 will shift, third times rotate, third 0 will shift, and you will get the answer as 0, 0, 0 at this place, and you will get the answer as 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get answer in such a way. Same logic is applied for binary. Now we will proceed for the program. Here number is there at 2400, LXI H2400, HL will get number 2400. Move M to A will get number 0D. You have to divide it by 8, that means at least 3 bits are required as it is, therefore they are shown in green, and the remaining part of the number not required shown in red, and the value becomes 07. Perform AND operation, the value you will get as 05. This is the remainder part which is present in accumulator. Shift this part to register B. Now B is having remainder part. To get the quotient part, again bring the same number to accumulator by M to 0A, that is 0D. Now the bits which are required are most significant. Here 5 bits are required, least significant 3 bits are not required. Put it in red, here put it in green, the number becomes F8. As number becomes F8, when you perform the AND operation, the least significant 3 bits become 0. You will get the answer here 0 and 8. These 3 bits are to be shifted to the most significant bit. Therefore, RRC. First RRC, it will go here. After RRC, you will get a number 4. After second RRC, this 0 goes here. You will get number 2. And after third RRC, this 0 goes to the most significant bit and you will get a number 1. 1 is the quotient. This quotient is to be stored to the next memory location. Therefore, INX H, it becomes 2401, move A to M. INX H, move A to M. It goes to memory. Then again, INX H and move B to M. It goes to the consecutive memory. Thus, the result is stored quotient and remainder in the consecutive memory locations. Program to divide the number by 8. Reset exam register 2000, increment 21, increment 0, 0, increment 24, increment 7E, increment E6, increment 0, 7, increment 47, increment 7E, increment E6, increment F8, increment 0F, increment 0F, increment 0F, increment 23, increment 77, increment 23, increment 70, increment 76, increment. This is the entered program. Now you have to enter the data. Reset exam memory 2400, increment 0D and increment. Now check the memory here. You will get the memory here, and now execute the program. Reset go 2000 and execute the program. After execution of the program, you get here 0 at 2401 as 01 answer and 2402 as 05 is the answer. Now check the content of register. In accumulator 01 register B5, remaining C, D, E not used, H 24L02, memory equal to 5, program end at 2011. Now to check the register, register A register B, register C, register D, register E, register H, register L, content of memory, and stack pointer and program counter.